Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pretty Boy Rob, and for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy, I'm be cleaning these Air Jordan 1 mid UNCs. I know there's a huge stigma when it comes to the mids. A lot of people talking crap, they don't like them, but I'm actually a huge fan, and this is my personal pair that I picked up 10 plus years ago. They weren't this bad, but we got them extra beat just for today's video because we are gonna be using our brand new Artist Series kit, so let's get straight into this. All right, for this kit, we did team up with the incredibly talented artist, Antoinette Colley, for our first ever Artist Series kit. Make sure you go ahead and check out the link above to check out that full inspiration behind this artwork. However, let's jump straight into this kit. One cool thing about this kit is the artwork is on the sleeve as well as the box. So what you can do is you can actually cut these sides and frame it, and it makes a great art piece. But let's jump straight into the products. So this kit will come with our water and stain repellent, our adjustable shoe trees that will adjust up to a size 13, a 4-ounce bottle of solution that will clean anywhere from 30 to 40 pairs of shoes, our signature 3 brushes, you got your soft, medium, and stiff, a microfiber towel, and of course, our signature laundry bag. So let's jump straight into today's cleaning. For before and after purposes, we're gonna go ahead and clean one shoe. So let's go ahead and just get this left one out of here. We do want to start off our pre-treatment with a bowl of water. We already got that. So now let's just grab our Reshoevn8r solution and squirt some squirts. Alrighty, our solution in water is ready. Now we just got to remove these shoelaces and insert our adjustable shoe trees. All right, we got our laces out. We're gonna go ahead and treat those on later on in the cleaning. Now we just got to get our adjustable shoe tree inserted. This is a size 10. So you do want to adjust your shoe tree. Just pull the tongs in. Should be about the 4th hole from the top. You're gonna wanna insert the shoe tree like so. Once it's in, you're just gonna wanna push down. Boom, now we got that nice hard toe box so we can apply as much as pressure as we need to during the cleaning process, as well as it will help just remove some of those creases in our toe box. Since this is an all leather shoe, there's no reason for us to put it in a laundry system, so we're just gonna give it a basic clean using all 3 of our brushes and get this thing cleaned up. Start this clean off though, we are gonna use our soft bristle brush on these uppers, break down as much as dirt and grime as possible. So let's get straight into it. All right guys, I'm all done using our soft bristle brush on these uppers, as well as Pat dried it. The uppers are looking nice, however, there are some deeper stains that are trapped in this tongue, as well as this midsole still got some staining that I didn't treat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to that right now using our medium bristle brush. All right guys, our medium bristle brush definitely did its job. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and attack these outsoles using our stiff bristle brush. So let's get it. All right guys, we're all done using our stiff bristle brush to tackle these outsoles. It's definitely looking good. However, there are some deeper stains that just didn't come out. Like I said, this shoe's 10 plus years old. I'm not too worried about it since it's my personal pair and these are going straight to the toe. However, what I want to focus on right now is this inside sock liner. It definitely has a lot of lint and dog hair, it looks like. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and just use our lint shaver and show some attention to details to make these look as crispy as possible. All right guys, I'm all done with the lint shaver. One thing that I did notice as I was doing that is that the insides are definitely dirty and grimy, and I forgot to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab our soft bristle brush and get those nice and clean. All right, guys, that inside liner is looking about 100% better. The last thing we need to do for this cleaning is go ahead and just treat these laces. What you're gonna wanna do is just dip them in the solution. Swish them around like so. Put them in between your hands and just start scrubbing. As you guys can see, that dirt and grime is just coming right off. Next, just grab your microfiber towel and just dry it out. Perfect, our laces are done. We got about 10 years of grime off those things, as well as our Air Jordan 1s. They're definitely looking crispy. Now all I gotta do is go ahead and set these shoes outside, let them dry for a few hours, and I'll see you guys before you know it.
What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? We are back with a crazy sneaker giveaway. We are teaming up with our friends over at Many World Sneaker Boutique to give you guys a chance at winning an Air Jordan 1 Low Dior in a size 10. All you have to do to enter are 3 easy steps. You must sign up for Reshoevn8r's newsletter, you must follow ManyWorlds.az on Instagram, and you must comment down below your favorite part of today's video. That's it, guys. The giveaway runs all the way to the end of July, and we'll be announcing the winner on August 8th for Reshoevn8r Day. Good luck, and let's get back into today's video.
And we're back. We did go and let these shoes dry for a few hours, so let's go ahead and check out these results. As you can see, this shoe cleaned up perfect. We got our leather cleaned and conditioned. Last thing I gotta do is go ahead and get these things laced up. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. If you like today's cleaning, make sure you go and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, we do post cleaning tutorials every Thursday. On top of that, we post customs or restorations with Vic on Mondays. Plus, we have been posting a whole bunch of bonus content that you don't wanna miss out on. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, while you're there, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified for all future content. Last but not least, if you want to support a very talented artist, make sure you go ahead and cop our Reshoevn8r limited edition artist series, as well as these awesome t-shirts that are available at Reshoevn8r.com. With all that being said, it's time for me to get on out of here, but I'm sure I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.